Hi guys, I hope you're okay. So I wanted to do this all weekend, but I've just been so busy. We're going to taste test this. Apparently it tastes like Kinder Bueno. So we're going to give it a try. It's the little Gelato range, I think. The ones that I posted about the other day. Right. I should have let it melt. Okay. It smells like a feast. Oh my god. Wow. It tastes like a Kinder Bueno. It's like praline. Praline. Oh my god. It's got like little chocolatey bits in too. Oh my god, guys. Run to Lidl. It is literally Kinder Bueno in an ice cream. So good.